Racing just is started. We have Mystic Melody moving up now is Good as Gold. Sabuhin comes next. Louis Alexa. Major Credit comes next. Down on the inside is Empire Queen, while Silver Champ is the early trailer by about 3 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Good as Gold. In the middle portion is Major Credit. Sabuhin. Louis Alexa is down on the inside. Then next on line is Silver Champ. Then down on the inside is Mystic Melody, while Empire Queen now racing in less half-mile distance. They travel. We have Good as Gold by about half length, and on the outside Sabuhin. Louis Alexa comes next. Major Credit. Then here comes Silver Champ, now starting to put big strides. Empire Queen comes next, while Mystic Melody now racing less. And on the far turn we have Good as Gold, and here comes Silver Champ, now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Louis Alexa is down on the inside. Sabuhin, then comes Mystic Melody, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Good as Gold by our lane carry half. Silver Champ giving the battle most of energy on the outside to take the lead. We have Silver Champ by about 2 lengths over Good as Gold, and finally Silver Champ, Good as Gold. Then comes Louis Alexa, Sabuhin.
Silver Champ. Lamada na sa lahat. Oo. 476,000